Today we're going to make shrimp cheung fun. Talking about cheung fun, there are different ways to make it. And after testing different combinations of ingredients, I found the perfect way. So our cheung fun is going to be very smooth, very silky, and over the top delicious. To make the sauce, add in the hot water and sugar. Whisk until dissolved. Pour in the soy sauce, dark soy sauce, oyster sauce, and sesame oil. Mix well. To marinate the shrimp in a bowl, mix in the salt, white pepper, rice wine, sesame oil, and cornstarch slurry. I used half teaspoon of cornstarch and 1.5 teaspoons of water. Place in the peeled and deveined shrimp. Give it a good mix and marinate for 10 minutes. Transfer the shrimp to a plate in a single layer. To steam the shrimp in a steamer over high heat, bring it to a boil. Place in the shrimp. And steam until completely cooked, 2 minutes. Remove and set aside. To make the cheung fun, transfer in the rice flour, tapioca starch, wheat starch, and water. In a heat-resistant container. In my case, it's a 9x9 cake pan. Brush about a teaspoon of avocado oil on it. You can also use any other cooking oil. And we're gonna whisk the flour and starch mixture again. And pour in about half cup of the mixture in the container. To steam in a large steamer over high heat, bring it to a boil. Place in the container and move it around a little to make sure everything is level. Cover the lid and steam for about 4 minutes until cooked. Remove the container and let it cool down for about a minute. On a clean working surface, brush a bit of avocado oil on it. Place about 3 to 4 pieces of shrimp on the cheung fun. And roll it up with a plastic bowl scraper. Transfer the cheung fun to the working surface. Trim off the 2 sides. I really enjoy our sa cheung fun today. I think it's so much better than any dim sum places. The shrimp is really bouncy, the sauce just perfect, and the cheung fun itself is really silky, really smooth. Oh, it's just delicious. So give it a try and let me know if you agree on this. And I hope that you enjoyed today's episode. If you like it, subscribe and thumbs up. I will see you again next week for another awesome episode. Bye!